Hello, lovely children. Good morning to you all. You are welcome back to the science class. My name is Bright. I pray that the Lord God Almighty Himself will look after us and usher us into October successfully with new hopes and aspirations. At our last lesson, we looked at root systems of plants and I gave you some assignments. I believe you did the assignment. Now, I have provided my WhatsApp number on your screen. I would like you to take photos of your assignment and forward them to me as I look through and then assess it and give you the marks, award you marks for them. So let's quickly recap what we did last week. We looked at root systems. We said that we have two types of root systems. We have the taproot system and then the fibrous root system. I hope you remember. Good. So if I may ask, if you are given the opportunity to become one of these root systems, which of these two would you love to become? I hope you got my question. If you were given the opportunity to turn yourself into one of these roots, which of these roots will you love to become and why? Good. So as you ponder over that question, let's look at the similarities between plants with tap roots and plants with fibrous roots. What are the similarities? What are the things that are common among them? One, you can observe that both tap roots and fibrous roots have tiny roots around them. I hope you agree with me. Good. The differences between plants with tap roots and plants with fibrous roots. One, tap roots. Tap roots have one main big root with smaller roots growing from them. And then the fibrous roots do not have a main root. All the roots are small and similar in size. 2. Tap roots grow deep into the soil, whereas fibrous roots grow just below the surface of the ground or sometimes above the ground. And then the third one, plants with tap roots are difficult to uproot, whereas fibrous roots are easy to uproot. Alright, so I have a critical thinking question for you, and I want you to listen to it with rapt attention. During vacation, you and your cousin visited your grandfather in the village to spend some weeks with him. One Saturday, you followed your grandfather to the farm to help him harvest some farm crops. Your grandfather has variety of crops such as cassava, yam, carrot, onion, cabbage, cocoyam, pepper, maize, mango, plantain, and pawpaw plants on his farm. I'm going over the crops again. Cassava, yam, carrot, onion, cabbage, cocoyam, pepper, maize, mango, plantain, and pawpaw plants on his farm. You use the opportunity of harvesting the crops to observe the different types of plants' roots. So this is the question I have for you. Classify all the crops you harvested based on their root systems. So you have to list all the plants that are tap roots, that have tap roots, and then all the plants that have fibrous roots. In this table, take a picture and forward it to me. And then the second question is, draw and color the root systems of two of these crops. So this is the next critical question. Look at the two images on your screen. You have two pictures. Now, plant 1 is a coconut tree planted close to a water body, and plant 2, that is the second picture, is a mango tree growing beside water body. The question is, explain why picture 1 is gradually falling but picture 2 is standing uprightly. I would like you to take your time and write beautifully. Take your time, write beautifully, read over what you have written. The reason why picture 1 is falling and then picture 2 is standing. Critical thinking. When you finish, take a picture. I would like to read your English and explain well for me. Now, on the next slide, you have some things to remember. Please write them down in your note and read over it again and again. I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself and read more. Until then, see you again. Bye-bye.